Hello friends. Welcome to T Academy. I would like to give one more a grand test for your Andhra Pradesh Gram Award Sachivalayam Digital Assistant Examination. Now in this video we will discuss the 50 questions from the computer science engineering background, and I will try to give the answers for this questions and answers. Okay, right. So let's start the first question here. The first question here: C program is developed as a system programming language, general purpose language, data processing language, and D, none. Okay, so for this question, the right option is A, that is system programming language is the right answer. Next question: the length of a string is, the options are 7, 8, 6, implementation dependent. So the answer is, the length of the string is 7. So answer is 7 here. Next one, the constant feature can be applied to an identifier, an array argument, D, all of the above. So the correct answer is all. Next one, what is the correct statement about plus plus operator? The options are, it's unity operator, it cannot be applied to expression, the operand can come before or after the operator, D, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Next one, question number 5 here. The following statement prints printf, okay, percentile C, comma 100. Okay, the options are print 100, 100 prints hash key equivalent of 100, prints garbage. So the correct answer is, it is going to print hash key equivalent of 100. Next one, the following statement prints printf percentile C, comma 9 by 5. The options are 1.8, 1.0, 2.0, D is none. The answer for this question is D, none is a correct answer. Next one, seventh question. Break statement can be simulated by using, the options are go to, return, exit, and none. The correct option is, it is go to. So A will be the right answer. Next one, next question here. The maximum number an array can have C language is, the options are 3, 4, 5, compiler dependent. The correct option for this question is compiler dependent. Next one, the use of macro in the place of functions increases execution time, increases code size. C is, both options are correct, and D will be none. So the correct answer is increases execution time and increases code size. The correct option is C is the right answer. Next one, which of the following language is a case sensitive? The options are Fortran, Basic, C, and none. Okay, the answer for this question is, it's a C language. Next one, Heap allocation is required for the languages that support recursion, dynamic data structure, dynamic scope rules, none. So the answer for this question is dynamic data structure. So is a right answer. Next one, binding can occur while the options are writing a program, compiling a program, invoke a subprogram, D or. The answer is all of the above is the right answer. Next one, which of the following is not a property of transactions? Atomicity, concurrency, isolation, durability. Okay, the answer for this question is it is concurrency. Next one, 14th question. Drop is a statement in SQL. So it is DDL, DCL, embedded SQL, none. So answer will be A is the right answer, DDL. Okay, next one. The 15th question here we'll see. In 2NF, the options are no functional dependencies FDs exist, no multi-valued dependencies MVDs exist, no partial FDs exist, no partial MVDs exist. So 15th question, the correct answer is no partial FDs exist. So C is the right answer. Okay. Next one. Relational algebra is data definition language, meta language, okay, procedural query language, D none. So it is a procedural query language. Next one. Which of the following aggregate functions does not ignore nulls in its result? The options are count. So count in bracket star, maximum, minimum. Okay. So the answer for this question is it is count star here. So B is the right option. Next one. If an entity can belongs to only one lower level entity, then the constraint is, the options are disjoint, partial, overlapping, single. The correct answer for this is it is partial. Next one. In SQL testing, whatever a subquery is empty is done using. The options are distinct, unique, null, exist. Okay. The correct answer is it is D, exists. Next one. A graphical representation of a query is dash. The options are query tree, B tree, graph, directed graph. The correct answer is it is a query tree. A is the right answer. Next one. Dependency preservation is not guaranteed in. The options are BCNF, 3NF, PJNF, DKNF. So answer is it is BCNF. So dependencies preservation is not guaranteed in BCNF. Next one, 22nd question here. As you can see, the isolation of the transactions is ensured by, okay, transactions management, concurrency control, application programmer, recovery management. The correct answer for this 22nd question is the concurrency control is the right answer. Next one, 23rd question. Dash operator is used to compare a value to a list of literals values that have been specified. The options are like, compare, between, in. The answer is A is the right answer. So like is a right answer for this question here. Next one. For correct behavior during recovery, undo and redo operations must be. The options are cumulative, associative, ademponent, distributive. Okay, the answer is for this question is it is idempotent. Okay, and next one, 25th question here. The drawback of shadow paging techniques are commit overhead, data fragmentation, garbage collection, and all of these above here. So answer is all the three options are correct. So answer will be all of these here. Next one. Which of the following layer is not network support layer? The options are transport layer, network layers, data link layer, and physical layer. So 26, the option A is the right answer. That is a transport layer. Okay, so transport layer will be the right answer. Next one. What is the size of host bits in a class B of IP address? The options are 4, 8, 16, 32. Okay, the correct answer will be is 16. C is the right answer. Next one. Which of the following is correct regarding class B address of IP address? The options are network bit, host bit 16, network bit is 16, host bit is 14, and the network bit is 18, host bit is 16, and the last option is network bit is 12, host bit is 14. Okay, the correct answer for this question is it is the right option. Network bit is 14, host bit is 16 here. Okay, so A will be the right answer. Next, 29th question here. DHCP is an abbreviation of Dynamic Host Control Protocol, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, Dynamic Hyper Control Protocol, Dynamic Hyper Configuration Protocol. Okay, for the 29th question, the correct answer is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. So answer B will be the correct answer. Next one. What is the address size of IPv6? The options are 32-bit, 64-bit, 128-bit, and 656-bit. The answer is 124-bit. Next one. DHCP server provides dash to the client. Okay. The options are protocol, IP address, MAC address, network address. So it's going to provide the IP address. Next one. What is the size of MAC address? 32-bit, 64-bit, 48-bit, and 256-bit. So the answer is 48-bit. Next one. When you rename a file 5 times, then the number of file in the disk is. The options are 1, 2, 3, 5. The correct option will be 1. Next one. A flashing or blinking light on the screen is called an icon, pixel, a cursor, none. As you can see, the answer is a cursor. Next one. Which of the following is the part of the operating system? The options are cell, fat, kernel, and next option is it is disk. The correct option for this question is it is kernel. I'll talk about the next question. The question number is 36 here. Okay. The program that is responsible for the loading the operating system into RAM is called. The options are BIOS, bootstrap program, device driver, supervisor program. The answer is it is bootstrap program. Next one. If you are typing a paragraph that is a double line spaced and press enter to the start new paragraph, the new paragraph will quarter space, single space, half space, double space. So the answer is it is double space. Next question. Which of the following concept is best to preventing page faults? Paging, the working set, hit ratios, address, location, resolution. The answer is the working set. Next one. The primary job of the operating system is managing commands, manage users, manage programs, manage resources. The answer is it is manage resources. Next one. Two main measures for the efficiency of an algorithm are processor and memory, complexity and capacity, time and space, date and space. Okay, so it is the time and space. Next question. Which of the following expression is in the sum of products form? The options are AB plus CD, sum of products, AB into CD, A plus B into C plus D, A into B into CD here. Okay, the correct answer is it is AB plus CD. So A will be the right answer. Next one. Next one. How many 3-line to 8-line decoders are required for a 1 of 332 decoder? Okay, the options are 1, 2, 4, 8. The answer is it is C. Okay, so 8 into 4 is nothing but 32. Next one. How many data select lines are required for selecting 8 inputs? Okay, so in my previous video we discussed the same question here. So 2 power 3. So the options are 1, 2, 3, 8. The answer will be 3. So C is the right answer. Next one. Solve the network in the given figure below for X. So here we have a NOR gate, AND gate, NOR gate here. Okay, what will be the output of this X here? So simple network here. The options are A plus BC plus D. The next option is A plus B into C plus D. C is D into A plus B plus C, and D is AC plus BD into C here. Okay. So the correct answer is A plus B into C plus D. So B is the right answer. Next one, the 45th question here. Convert BCD 0001 0010 0110 to its binary. The options are 111111 111101 11111000, and all are ones here. Okay, the answer is when you convert this here, you will get the answer as 1 1 1 1 1 1. Finally it will be 0 here. Okay, next one, 46th question here. The final output of module 8 counter occurs one time for every. Okay, so options are 8 clock pulses, 16 clock pulses, 32 clock pulses, 64 clock pulses. So the answer is 8 clock pulses here. Next one, a counter with a module of 16 act as, so divided by 8 counter divided by 16 counter divided by 32 counter, and the last option will be, yes, it is divided by 64 counter. So for this question the correct answer is, it is divided by 16 counter. So B is the right answer. Next one. So we reached the last page here. Next one. Which of the following is a type of shift register counter? The options are decade, binary, ring, BCD. Okay. Answer is, it is a ring counter. Next one. If a typical PC uses a 20-bit address code, how much memory can the CPU address? The options are 20 MB, 1024 MB, 1 MB and 2020 MB here. The correct answer is going to have a 1 MB. C is the right answer. And the last question here, convert 8B3F16 to binary. The options are here 1000101 here. Okay, and the correct answer for this question is A here. The other options are there, as you can see there. Okay, the correct answer is A here. So that's it for the session. We will continue in the next session of Andhra Pradesh Grama Award Sachivalayam Digital Assistant Grand Test. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.